Welcome back, everyone. We are in our Revit textbook looking at our school project and, of course, working on these ADA pipes. We have all of them taken care of that are moving up the stairs, and now we need to think about moving these over to the other side. So let's do that. I'm going to go to level 2 floor plan, and I am going to choose one of these ADA pipes and copy it. And I'm going to copy it from, let's say, the bottom of this handrail, or these bottom is according to this screen, to the bottom of this handrail, and it's in place. Of course, we have that significant gap, so let's deal with that. So I'm going to adjust this section view that I have sitting here. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to go highlight that section view, and I can see, hey, this pipe goes up and that's an issue, and this is too high and that's an issue. So let's deal with this particular guardrail and handrail first. I'm going to extend the sketch line, and when I do, we're going to see that this handrail and guardrail is going to become horizontal. So let's do that. So I'm over here in my second floor plan view. I highlight the railing and edit the path, select the magenta line, and I'm going to bring it out the same consistent distance that I have with the other ones. Click the blue green check mark and go look at that in 3D. We can see that this handrail becomes horizontal. The guardrail is still there, of course. This particular ADA pipe, let's see, how do I get that thing? ADA pipe has this extension going up, and of course that's a problem. Notice there's these properties over here for this ADA pipe, and one is a top cut angle. This turns out to be the angle of this extension. I'm going to click in here and tell Revit I want it to be 0, and notice it's now horizontal. So I'm pretty happy with that, except there's a bit of misalignment vertically. So let's go look at that section view and see how far off it is. So I'm going to make a measurement, and hopefully this measurement will be simplified when I choose wireframe. Yeah, I'm going to measure from the bottom of my ADA pipe to the bottom of my handrail. And I find that I have 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to go over here and look at my ADA pipe, and I am going to change this 3 feet to 2 feet 11 1/4 inch, and notice it lines up perfectly now. So now I go back to my level 2, and I'm confident that this is both in the right place. I'm going to call it north and south. It's at the right elevation in Z, and it lines up east and west with these pipes over here, which is going to be important in our next step. I'm now going to mirror this first ADA pipe around the center of this flight of stairs, and I will extend this railing sketch line the same distance as all the others, and we'll see the value of doing that consistently across the board. All right, so next step here is I'm going to select these two, and of course repeat this copy and paste to aligned levels, and choose 3, 4, and 5. I'll click OK and go look at it and see what I have in 3D. I'm going to kind of have to zoom out, get some perspective here. Here's what I have on the second floor, which makes sense to me, and third floor, fourth floor, and fifth floor. So of course, right, it becomes really obvious here that we have the opportunity to just drive our wheelchairs or even just literally walk right off the edge. So we have one more section to do here on this east end of the building, and we're going to put some protective railings across here. Hope this adds some value, and we'll see you in the next section.